Hello and welcome to the next exciting instalment of How Did Mrs. HR Do That? Alright, today we have a bar of ivory soap. Now I just want you to have a little look at this soap because you can see it doesn't look quite like your normal average soap and it's quite light. I wonder if you can figure out why, and you might need that bit of information for what's going to happen next. So we're going to put the soap into a microwave and set it for a minute. Now not that much will happen, but because the soap is light, what do you think is inside it that isn't always inside soap? You might have to be patient for this. Just see if you can see something happening to the soap. What is happening and why is it happening? Obviously we're adding heat to it, but what is the heat doing to the soap? What do you think would eventually happen if I left it in there for a long time? Look, 5 more seconds, I think. Yes, that will do. Right, have a look. Have you ever seen soap do that? Now, of course, it is very hot, but if you have a look at the structure of it now, you can see it's gradually sinking. And if I pick it up carefully, if you do this at home, make sure you leave it for a bit longer. Look at the structure of it. What has happened? Why has that happened? Would it happen with a normal bar of soap? And if not, why not? Now, this is pretty good fun to play with as it is, but we don't want to go around just wasting bars of soap. So, here's one that I played with earlier, and is nice and cool. And you can crumble it up. Now you can just use this as any sort of washing powder or powder to clean your hands, but if you're feeling a little bit more experimental, you can use the exploded bar of soap, a roll of loo roll, a cup of warm water, take all the loo roll off its roll, crumble the exploded soap onto it, and add a cup of warm water. This will eventually turn into a lovely pulpy mess. You have to be patient, you have to do it for about 5 or 10 minutes, and then you've got a sort of modelling dough. Waste not, want not. Enjoy trying to explode some soap, but most importantly, how did Mrs. HR do that?